No man wants to spend the rest of his adult life having a penis that is too small in size. Being small can greatly reduce your ability to satisfy your partner's sexual desires in bed, and can cause a severe dent on your confidence level. It makes perfect sense for you to be worrying about your manhood's lack of size right now. But don't get too depressed, there is still a high possibility for your penis to grow bigger once again. Medical research done on the male anatomy has shown that the average adult male organ still has potential to naturally increase in size. In other words, there is still a way for you to make your penis bigger without having to resort to any form of artificial enlargement such as surgery. Why your penis can still grow bigger? Firstly, the male organ is similar to most of your other body parts. It can still increase in size, but it requires some form of stimulation to kickstart the growing process, much like how exercises help to increase the size of your arms and legs. You see, deep within the male organ, there are two blood chambers known as the corpora cavernosa. This is where blood gets stored when you get sexually aroused. The amount of blood that goes in the chambers determine how much the surrounding erectile tissues will expand to give your penis its erected size. So logically thinking, if we could increase the capacity of the corpora cavernosa and also increase the amount of blood stored in them, then you will end up with a physically bigger penis. Now, the question is how you can bring about this increase in blood flow and capacity of the blood chambers in the male organ? How to bring about a natural increase in your penis size. One of the most brilliant ways of causing the above to happen is simply by doing exercises to the male organ. Exercising firstly improves the blood circulation and flow to your penis as well as its two blood chambers. Doing exercises also helps to break down the cells in the corpora cavernosa. The cells regenerate into larger cells, allowing the blood chambers to take in and store more blood in them, eventually resulting in your penis becoming larger than before. So how do you actually exercise the male organ? It takes just a few simple stretching and massaging actions on your penis, using just your hands, to bring about this natural growth process in the male organ. What you can do starting today to make your penis grow. There are a number of exercise routines that you can do to start increasing your manhood size. This is one of the basic routines that you can learn and begin to do from home starting today. 1. Rub some lubricant all over your half-erected penis. 2. Grip the base of your penis shaft using the index finger and thumb of one hand. 3. While applying some pressure, move your grip down the penis shaft. 4. Once your finger and thumb reach the penis head, release your grip and relax your penis. 5. Repeat this routine several more times. Simple, isn't it? It should only take you a minute or two to do the above stretching routine, and will not take you more than an hour of your precious spare time to do all the other exercises. I am sure you can afford to put aside that small period of time, especially if you seriously want to get your penis to grow bigger for real. Once you know how to do all the necessary exercises and start doing them religiously, it should only be a couple of weeks or so before you begin seeing a remarkable improvement in the size of your manhood, and, not to mention the amazement in her eyes when she looks at you. So if you are troubled by your lack of size in the manhood department, give penis enlargement exercises http://www.penisadvantageonline.com a go today.